Step number 1, copy this video. Step number 2, upload this video. Step number 3, earn $141, $176, $89. I have seen many ways to make money online, but I have not seen anything quite like this. This is still new, and you can be the first to get started with this. It's still low-hanging fruit where you can make hundreds of dollars per day to copy as well as paste videos. You don't need any video experience, you don't need to be on camera, you don't even need to talk into a microphone. Imagine just sitting at your laptop making hundreds per day. So you can help your family, upgrade your car, home, or perhaps travel the world. So pay close attention till the end of this video because I will show you exactly how to make money online in an easy way. But before that, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. If this video helps you a bit, hit the like button and share it with others. Now let's start the video. Now I will show you exactly how to make hundreds of dollars each day to copy and paste videos. As well as this is super simple for you. Even if you have never made any money online, you can do this. So step number 1 is to go to youtube.com. Here you want to search for dogs if you are a dog person or cats if you are a cat person. As you can see, you can find funny dog videos with millions of views in recent months. And you can see that these videos get a crazy amounts of views. We want to go to filters right here and then we want to click on Creative Commons. If you don't understand what Creative Commons is, well, Creative Commons is a license that gives you a basic method for content creators to permit another person to use their work. By marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you are approving the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and also edit that video. But it's crucial to see that if you mark your video with the CC by license, you retain the copyright. So you will not gain any copyright of this. We are allowed to reuse and edit the videos that we discover. Here you can see that many people have uploaded their videos as Creative Commons for us to utilize. As you can see, we get these adorable puppy videos that are popping up. You have most likely seen this in the past all across the internet. But one of the things that I show is that if you do entertainment, you will make little cash. There is not that much cash in entertainment. But if you do entertainment plus education, that is where you make the most amount of money. So we are going to keep scrolling down below and see if we can discover some Creative Commons with some entertainment and education in them like this one. As you can see, Liz Reactive Dog Training, where they are doing actual dog training in this video. Right here, you can also see how to make a dog entirely aggressive with a few simple tips, which is another dog training video. So we will click on that. After that, go to step number 2, download that video. So all you need to do is go to Google and search for a YouTube downloader. As you can see, the first one is yt1s.com. Click on that. Now return to the dog training video and after that, copy that link. Now all you need to do is copy that link and post it directly into the YouTube downloader. Right here we go. This is the video that we want to download. With the highest setting right here is 480p for this link and then get the link. Right here you can click on download. Step number 3, go to rumble.com. It's a new video platform that has popped up as a YouTube competitor. And also, as you can see from this web page, you can see exactly how much these people have earned per video. So if we keep scrolling down, you can see that people are making money with this $27 right here, $12, more and more $61, with this video $56 right here. And you might be thinking, is any people on here? How many people are on this website? So I have a similar web Chrome extension and also as you can see rumble.com is really among the fastest expanding video websites on the internet right now. As well as the best part is that the traffic from the tier 1 countries. You can see 66 from the US, Canada, UK, all the tier 1 countries, which is great and higher quality traffic. So step number 4, click on sign in. Here click create a Rumble account. You can see that they have a free account, a publisher account or a business account and you must go with the free account. Now fill out all these details, agree to the terms and conditions and register your account. Now click here to activate your account and also you have been successfully verified. Now I'm about to show you just how to upload this video properly and additionally make away even more cash from this faster than just the earnings, as you can see right here. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and press the subscribe button. Step number 5, click on upload video right here. Here you can select the video to upload. So we are going to enter our download folders and after that drag that right here again. Now we require a video title. So we are going to return to this actual video and after that copy that title. Now we are going to change it up a little just like that, and then we need to have a tiny video description. If you wish to know how to make a dog aggressive instantly, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to turn your dog aggressive with a few simple tricks. Simply a tiny brief paragraph right here shows that we can add a video thumbnail like a custom one. But I think this one looks quite good. So we are going to select that. And after that, we also need some tags in here. So we are going to type dog, dog training and aggressive dog. Now we could have just uploaded that video right here. We can schedule the video, so you can plan Monday, Wednesday, Friday or even every day or multiple times a day. But before that, there is a lot of money that you can make with just a tiny web link in the description. Step number 6, go to clickbank.com. ClickBank is an affiliate market where they have hundreds of products that you can sell and get a commission for that product. All you need to do is click sign up. After that, you have to enter your information right here and then you can join ClickBank. Once you are inside, you will go to the ClickBank market where they have a tons of categories, as you can see, about different affiliate products that you can sell and make a commission for. Now we are going to search for a dog right here and after that click on search. Now what we want to do is sort the results by gravity. That implies the greatest selling dog course. We can see brain training for dogs, unique dog training courses, easy sell. And if you sell one of this, you will make $31, which is pretty cool, right? As you can see, top quality dog training course featuring 21 games to improve a dog's intelligence and behavior. If you think about it, if somebody wants to make their dog aggressive instantly, they most likely have many other things that they want to show their dog that make it an ideal combination that makes them want to buy this product. So exactly how do you promote this? Well, all you have to do is click on promote right here. Then you can enter your account nickname as well as generate hop links. Right here, this is your affiliate web link. If anybody goes through this link and buys via you, you will make $31 every sell, which is quite cool, right? Now, you might be wondering, if you send this to someone, what web page do they land on? So, I will show you the page now. It's the page that develops your dog's hidden intelligence to eliminate bad behaviors and make them obedient, well-behaved pet of your dreams. Perfect title right here, as well as now this is the lengthy form sales letter. As you can see, they have pretty pictures in here. They even have some videos in here, and also they even show several of the modules that they will go through if they determine to select this up. So you can see here module 1, 2, 3 and all the different things they will get when they purchase. All they need to do is click on instant access and purchase this product for $47 and you will get 75% of the commission for that sale. Also, they can give you such high commissions because they have an email list and that will certainly sell them more and more things in the future. So they are confident to provide you 75% commission just for that lead. So now all you need to do is step number 7. You generated the hop links, so you click on copy right here. Now go to bit.ly.com. Bit.ly will make your link a lot shorter, a lot better to look at. As you can see, this tiny little web link right here is way easier for them to click than that long spammy looking link. Now copy this link and go back to your upload again and post that web link right here. Now we need a little header right here which we can take from the actual dog training sales web page. You can copy this right here and also we will change it up a little bit. Then I like to add a click here. Now you can search alt codes into Google. Go to the alt code list. After that, we will discover a little arrow going to the right and post that in right here as well. So that's all you need to do. Click upload right here. But I believe that you should create your own content. Now, I'm not telling you to talk into the microphone or show yourself on camera or posting that on YouTube. I'm speaking about faceless, anonymous YouTube channels you can create. Even if you have no money, you have no skills, you have never done any video before. And that's all I want to show you in this video. If you get value out of this video, hit the like button and share it with people. If you enjoy this kinds of videos, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell button. Let us know how much you earn by using this strategy in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.